Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create collections on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up TikTok app. Then right here tap add profile icon to move on to your profile, and right here you can find these four different icons. You have to select third one, and it shows you all content that you have saved on TikTok, including videos, collections, sounds, effects, places, comments, and a bunch of different other types of data. And right here, first, we are interested in videos. You can get into it. Here I got 7 videos, and there are videos that I have bookmarked. So as you can see, that icon, that bookmark icon, is now highlighted. That means that I have bookmarked that video, and you can add any bookmarked video to the collections. Just get into collections tab and hit on create new collection. Then here you have to name the collection, and if you wish you can make it public. By default this switcher toggled off, so that means that by default the collection is private. Once you named a collection, just hit on next, and now it opens you the videos that you bookmarked before, and in that simple way you can check mark some of them and then hit on add videos. The collection has just been created, and now it contains 3 videos. In any time you can open up that collections from that tab, and you can hit add manage videos, and in that way, by checkmarking them, you can remove them, or you can hit on add videos to add another videos to that collection. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.